This video is just a quick preview of one of over 200 step-by-step percussion lessons included in our Conga Chops membership. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and head over to congachops.com to start your free 7-day trial and check out everything we've got on the site. In this lesson, we're going to work on one of the most prominent rhythmic figures that we'll hear used time and time again in the Afro-Cuban musical language, the hemiola. As a matter of fact, some of the phrases we've already worked on in this course incorporate this effect. Now typically, the term hemiola refers to a polyrhythm comprised of any phrase or figure that involves playing a group of 3 notes over the time normally occupied by a binary pulse, say 2 or 4 notes. So let's take a look at one of the simplest forms of this figure. In the first exercise, we'll play groups of 3 quarter notes, 1 quarter note followed by 2 quarter note rests in 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we're playing groups of 3 quarter notes over a binary pulse with 4 beats in each bar, we played 4 quarter notes over the course of 3 bars for a total of 12 beats to complete a full cycle and get back to playing on beat 1. Now this concept might take a moment to sink in, so make sure to re-watch and work on this first example slowly until you can master it without having to read the transcription. Now we can also of course choose to start this cycle on any quarter note in the bar, so long as we continue to keep playing the groups of 3 quarter notes. So in this next example, let's hear what that figure sounds like over the clave. We'll play the hemiola cycle with quarter notes starting on beat 1, then play the cycle starting on beat 2, beat 3, and lastly starting on beat 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can choose to extend this figure, repeating it as many times as you like, and end it wherever it feels natural to you, depending on the phrase that you're going into or coming out of. There are no rules as far as when and how you can use this idea in your soloing. Just as long as you're using the concepts and phrases we covered in the first few lessons as a foundation, you can always find ways to make it work and sound musical. So now that we have the basic concept down, let's work on some simple exercises to apply this in a musical context. Now first off, one of the most common ways this pattern is used in soloing is by using our first example, the shape that involves 3 quarter notes, and displacing it by 1/8 note so it starts on the end of 1. Our next note will be on the end of 4, the following note on the end of 3 in the second bar, and the last note of the phrase on the end of 2 in the third bar. We'll play one cycle, which will take us 3 bars to complete, then leave a bar of rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work on this over a 2-3 clave. Although since it involves playing a sparse figure, you can start on either side of the clave. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you're interested in learning more about what we do on Conga Chops and how we can help you further your skills, come check us out at congachops.com. We've got an incredible library of step-by-step courses and lessons, over 10 hours of exclusive practice loops, hand-picked Spotify playlists for each pertinent course and lesson on the site, and an amazing community forum where you can meet and discuss with other members, as well as get one-on-one feedback on everything you're working on. Just click the link below to grab your free 7-day trial and see what it's all about. Now, please don't forget to show your support for our channel by giving this video a like, leaving a comment down below as far as what you'd like to see me cover next, and hitting subscribe so you can catch our new videos. I'll see you in the next lesson.